how to make passive income on YouTube with only one video. So I'm gonna be talking about that today. So basically, if you are having, let's say you put two people together, one guy doing, 5 videos a day and one guy doing one video a week, who do you think is gonna succeed? So it's all about quantity over quality, so I think like I'm still figuring it out myself, but I think that's what's worked for me. Just putting out a lot of content and seeing so working on separate different channels. And that's really what's gonna work. So, also there's also another thing you can do is pretty much is do post a lot of shorts, on whatever thing you're talking about or want to talk about, and then just posting a long form video and then seeing how that goes. And it should blow up. But if not, then I'm not sure what you did wrong. But anyways, if you want to also do this, you can also, you know, really do one video a week that's really high quality. Maybe go on Fiverr, have someone do a voiceover to a script writer, someone just doing all the work, and then pay them, and then obviously have a really high quality video and see how that goes on one channel, or then separate those 3 videos in different titles and thumbnails on 3 different channels. So